billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So today is a very beautiful morning and it is almost afternoon, and now in this fall seasons all the vegetables are going to end, because you can see this grapevine, it's almost going through this fall process. All the leaves are going down, and meanwhile there are some vegetables that are growing really phenomenally, and among those vegetables you can see those the green peppers. So these are jalapeno green peppers, very hard peppers. You can see that some of them are red, some of them are green. So these will continue until we will have a really cold weather that will kill those. So this happens almost overnight when this cold weather of this summer strike. But till that we still have, alhamdulillah, these green peppers. And then there we have a lot of tomatoes here. All those tomatoes are gone. And then small plants, some other plants are growing there, mostly the weeds. You can see the beautiful weed colors, weed flowers that we have to clean. And then one of the beautiful things is that we still have the Arbi plants. Arbi plants, we have to harvest those, but these Arbi plants are very green. This year there was a lot of rain, and these are growing really nice. And then we have some okra plants. So those okra plants are really nice and beautiful. You can see that still these okra plants are producing okra. And meanwhile I can show you another really green pepper plant. So you can see that in this green pepper plant there are a lot of fine small green peppers, and these green peppers plus these what we call it, pudina, yes. So we make mostly chutney with this. So all of these vegetables are in the backyard, so everybody we can grow these. And these are not very difficult to grow. It takes just some time, and then these vegetables are all the time evergreen, growing and providing us a lot of fresh and organic vegetables. And now I'm going to take you to these okra plants, bindi. You can see that okra plants are very fresh. They are really large plants, and they are still producing okra. We also have one eggplant. So eggplant is producing some flowers. Hopefully we will have some eggplant, but this is end of the season, and in the end of the season we cannot expect a lot of vegetables here. You can see that this is the okra plant flower. It's really beautiful, amazing flower. So these okra plant flowers, this is beautiful bird chirping just behind me. So these okra plants are really growing nice this year. Last year when these were growing, they really went top, and their height was more than the height of our backyard fence. But this year these okra plants are but this year these okra plants are just a little bit short in their, relatively small in their height. And then there are some pepper plants, and I can show you there is one bird on the tree that is chirping there. You can see that bird, yes, moving up there. So in Alabama the weather is really nice, and these birds are really beautiful, all the time chirping. You can see that if you can see in this video, this beautiful bird will be chirping most of the time. So you can see these vegetables. No, you can see this bird going, yeah. So it went up to the trees. So these vegetables you can grow very easily in your house, wherever you are living. So these are not very hard to grow. And then we have some flowering plants. These plants are just going to die and producing some seeds that we can grow. That is a fake plant that we have, and it is still very young. And then we have some we have this olive plant. I think this olive plant will take a lot of time to grow, grow big. So this plant is really small, if you can see. And then we have this persimmon tree. So persimmon tree is also very nice. This year it produced some persimmons, and most of those were lost just because of the bad pollination or some other factors. And then we have these Arabi plants, and then Arabi plants plus this orange, and plus some other these okra plants. So these kind of vegetable gardening everybody can do at home, and at least we can collect enough vegetables. We can collect enough vegetables for our living. Very clean, very neat, no pollution, organic food, and is also very healthy. Alhamdulillah, it is very healthy food that we can grow very easily, and we can enjoy that organic food. So please, if you like this video, please subscribe this channel, and also click on this button to keep updated with any interesting videos coming from this channel. Thank you very much, and assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.